Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Hemant from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we are discussing about the topic digital design and computer organization. Subject code BCS 302. Topic a multi-pixel based decoder for flash analog to converters. A multi-pixel based decoders for flash ADCs like contents, introduction, flash ADCs basics, decoders type multi-pixel based decoders, compression of decoders, performance compressions, and in conclusions. First, we are discussing about introduction. A decoder for flash analog to digital converts with a short critical path, regular structures, and a small area is presented based on 2:1 multipixel connected as a tree. So each level divides the input thermometer scales in two and calculates one of the bits in the binary output. Compared to the Wales tree decoders and the folded decoder, the critical path is reduced to one third and one half respectively, and the amount of hardware is also reduced. Next, we are discussing about flash ADC's basics. In that, we are discussing about first high-speed ADCs, often based on the flash structure, using multi comparators with reference voltage. High-speed analog to digital converters are used to convert wide bandwidth signals into digital forms. A fast sampling rates, they can be used with a multiplexers to implement high-speed flash ADCs. In that thermometer code, like the output pattern from comparators forms a thermometer code which need decoding. This is a binary sequence used in flash ADCs where the output of comparators is represented if an analog input is larger than a reference. The corresponding comparators, I would say 1 and comparator corresponding to lower reference voltages also output 1. This results in a sequence of ones followed by zeros resembling a thermometer. For example, in a 3-bit flash ADCs is the analog input is between the second and the third reference voltage. The comparator's output would be 111000, indicating the input is greater than the first two reference voltages but less than the third. Bubble error. Error is the code due to timing differences, metastability or comparator's error in an ADC refers to error in the digital output sequence where 1 or zeros appears incorrectly in the thermometer code due to imperfection in the system. These errors are also called bubbles because they appear as isolated ones or zeros surrounded by the output values in the code sequence. These errors disrupt the monotonic nature of the thermometer code. Example 1110011. Instead of this expected one, resulting in incorrect digital output. Decoder types like overview of a different decoder approaches, Rome decoders, ones counter decoders, Wales pre decoders. Rome decoders like use a gray or binary encoded Rome sample but slow and power coming. Once counter decoders counts numbers of in the output of place global bubble error corrections. Wales tree decoders use a complex tree tree structures provides good speed power trade-off. Multiplexer based decoders. The multiplexer based decoders divides the thermometer scale using 2:1 multiplexer working recursively. These approaches reduces hardware and critical path length for an n-bit flash ADCs. The MSP is high if more than half of the thermometer outputs are logic 1. The process is repeated for each bit until the least significant bit is found. Compression of decoders like ROM decoders, ones counter decoders, Wales tree decoders, multi-based decoders. High in ROM decoders, high power consumption, slow speed are there. Ones counter decoders are good performance, higher hardware cost. Wales tree decoders are moderate hardware, good speed and power trade-off. Multiplexer based decoders are low hardware, soft, short critical path, potential for low power consumptions. Performance compressions like the multiplexer based decoder significantly reduce the hardware compared to the Wales tree and folded decoders. Performance metrics include the number of multiplexers and critical path length with the represented decoder showing the most favorable result in the term of both hardware reduction and critical path shortening. Last, we are discussing about conclusions like the multi-pixel based decoders is an attractive approaches for designing thermometer to binary code decoder due to its reduced hardware area consumptions and shorter critical path potential, translating to lower power consumption compared to other decoders. Thank you for watching this video.